Hi! In front of me is Oppo Pad Air, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing on this device. First of all, you need to access your Oppo's keyboard. If microphone icon is not visible at the top right corner of it, click on this gear one. Now tap on voice typing and click on this switcher next to use voice typing in order to enable it. When you're ready, go back to your keyboard. Now select microphone icon to start typing. Choose while using the app. And when you finished, tap on the same icon again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!